Hi guys, welcome to my closet. This is something I'm so excited about. I've never had a walk-in closet, and now I do. It's really beautiful. It's got two hanging clothes rods and then a shelf all the way around. These dresser things, these plastic bins, these have been in my dorm for the past 2 years. So they need to be retired. I think you saw it, I don't know if you've seen it yet, but we built a dresser that's in my bedroom over there. And I'm gonna try to move some of the stuff from these into that dresser. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm sitting in my closet. You can get a better view of these dressers now that we're down here. So basically this all together is 9 drawers and my new dresser is 6. I'm thinking I kind of want to hang some stuff that's been previously folded. So I don't know what yet. I'm thinking jeans could be cool. I don't know. I was thinking let's just go through these and sort them because they got kind of messed up in the move. So let's do that. So this is all workout stuff. I don't think any workout stuff can really get hung. So I'm actually gonna leave all this in here because it's only workout and that I can just transfer over there. This one, this is where it gets weird. This is shorts. So it's like, okay, because like this is all bras and underwear and that all needs to go over there. So I'm gonna make piles. I feel like it could be cute to hang my shorts, like my jean shorts, but I don't know yet, so I'm gonna keep them folded with other shorts for now. I'm also gonna go through and just get rid of stuff. These are socks, they're black, they're glitter socks. I just don't wear black socks anymore, so I think these are gonna be giveaway. By that I mean I'm probably gonna donate them. I just don't know yet. Shorts. I have a few costumey things, so I think I'm gonna put these in a bin in the linen closet because I don't wear them normally. The amount of bras I have is insane and I just don't wear bras. Okay, here's another thing I think I could probably hang is my skirts. So I'm going to lay these all out on the ground back here for now so that I can hang them. See, here's another, this is like a Halloween costume that I wore, but I'm not gonna wear this on a daily basis, so costume drawer. I forgot I had some of this stuff. Hopefully that now that I'm like hanging it, I'll wear it more because I'll actually see it. This is another costume one. It's literally a ballet skirt. Why do I have that? I don't want this anymore. Not my style. This one is kind of costumey, but it's also like kind of a, it could be like a going out skirt, so I'm gonna keep that out here. That's one drawer empty. Go us, guys. This is a bad drawer. Okay, I didn't show you guys because I forgot. This is the first drawer in here. I've just got these two like divider things in here. So this is all underwear in the first drawer, but we're making progress. I think I'm gonna put socks in this drawer. I don't know if I'm gonna use that or not, but let's keep going. This is all my socks, so let's move those. Okay guys, this is the sock drawer. I have another like divider in here that has tights in it, and then my socks, and we're doing great. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with right now in the closet. Those are all swimsuits, skirts, shorts, and bras. I'm gonna put the bras in one of those drawers right now, I think. So I'm gonna do that, hold on. Okay, here it is, all done. Now I've got 3 more drawers to go. We gotta figure out what is going in those. I'm pretty sure swimsuits, actually, I don't know. I might put swimsuits like in a bin up there somewhere because I don't wear swimsuits every single day. So question mark. I'm gonna go through the other drawers now. Okay, here is what I need to actually think about because I have 2 bins full of sweatpants and I literally only wear this pair and 2 other pairs that are this exact same one in different colors. So there's no reason that I have this many sweatpants. So I just need to like be lethal. Cut them out, don't think about it, just get it, go. Done, don't want them. Never wear them, never wear them. I have not worn these in 2 years. Okay, I'll hold on, I'll wait on those. And these 2, these are gonna be a hold on. And these. Okay, let's keep going. Don't want those. What are these? Oh, these are my, yeah, I'm keeping these. These are my dance sweatpants from high school and I love them. Getting rid of things.
Uh-oh.
I haven't worn these in years. Oh my god, I can cut them into shorts. I'm cutting these into shorts. What about these?
Maybe not.
This is so hard. These are like not sweatpants, so I'm gonna hang these. What are these? Ah, this is hard. I haven't worn these in a really long time. I'm gonna put these away somewhere. And if I don't wear them in the next year, then they're getting tossed. Same with these. If I don't wear them in the next year, tossed. Okay guys, that means there's only 4 sweatpants to keep. Go me. Okay, next drawer is jeans. Oh my god. I've decided I'm gonna hang jeans. So that takes care of a drawer. I'm cutting these into jorts.
Jorts.
I'm gonna put those in the cut pile. These, I think I need to hang these. Well, I'm hanging them anyway. These I'm gonna get rid of. Don't wear them, don't even look at them. Done. Yay! Okay, now I need to figure out the drawers in there. I have 3 left. You know what, actually, I think I'm gonna take the bras out of there because I don't wear bras. So like the few that I do wear, I'll throw in with like undies or socks or something. And then the rest I'm putting in a bin. Like with my swimsuits, just like up there. So I'll have them, but I don't need them every day. So they don't need to be in like that unit. This whole thing is empty, oh my goodness.
Where was it?
Just out there for now. Bye-bye drawer.
Bye-bye drawer.
Maybe I'll put like sweat shorts and sweatpants in the same drawer. I'm gonna go do that. Okay. I'm gonna move jean shorts into another one. I'm not sure which one yet. Okay, so the next one is the hardest in my opinion. This whole thing is tops. I have a lot of tops, so I only have 2.5 drawers left. I know there's a few of these like tank tops that I want to hang now that I have room. Oh, there's some costume stuff. Let me see, shows butterfly top. But the rest of it is not really hanging. I also just need to get rid of something. We need to get rid of stuff, guys. We're getting rid of stuff. keep these in here until I transport them over there. Toss. By toss, I mean donate, not throw away. Sorry. I did so good. That's like, I got it half of what it was.
I'm proud of you.
Are you proud of me?
Yep.
Okay, I don't need those. I haven't worn these in years. Don't even think about it. Okay, next, I gotta figure out what drawers. I feel like I can keep tank tops and like tiny, like baby tees together, because that feels like the same vibe. Because this is t-shirts, but some of these are, get rid of, like little baby tees, and I kind of want those to be the same vibe as the tank tops. I'm getting rid of so many clothes, you guys. I don't know about this top. I feel like the skin tone is weird. I might... I'll keep it. Don't be mad at me. Okay, the rest of these are like t-shirts, so let's go through these, but they're not going in the same bin. For now. The last one is long sleeves. Remove this. Okay. Long sleeve shirts. This I really need to be harsh because I don't wear half of these. This one is cute. I'm just gonna put them here. This was like so in when I got it in like 2016. It's like this see-through, like sparkly long sleeve. That's what I'm not sure about. But that's pretty good. Let's put all these in the dresser. I got all of my tops down from 3 drawers to 1. Wow. Okay. Now that they're in here, I'm gonna color coordinate them. Because what else would I do?
Nothing.
Right? Cool. Then I'm gonna do t-shirts next to them. Because I like to fold t-shirts kind of larger. It's just easier. So, thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
So these are gonna just go in here like that. Cool, and now we put tank tops and baby tees in here. Again, color coordinated. Baby tees got so much room, holy crap. Okay, so in this drawer, we've got long sleeves, t-shirts, and then we've got tank tops and baby tees, and we've got room to spare. Down here, this is sweats and sweat shorts, and then this is just jean shorts for now. And then I moved the bras that I do wear on this side of this organizer, and then some socks, and then underwear. This is what it's looking like in here. This is swimsuits, jeans, maybes. Needs to get hung, those need to get cut. These I'm not sure about. This is all giveaway or donate. And then this is kind of like costume stuff that I'm gonna put in my linen closet. Okay, I'm gonna get a bin over here for the costume-y stuff. Okay, costumes done. I think I'm gonna take a bin. Actually, I'm gonna take this one and put all of my swimsuits in here and then put it up on top. Okay. This is all some suits. Oh no, my battery's about to die. Shoot!